Let's talk about a very powerful business and life principle by teaching you a magic trick. Hello and welcome. Glad to see you. My name is Jonathan Pritchard from iCanReadMinds.com. My background is a world touring mentalist turned consultant for Fortune 500 companies like BP, State Farm, United Airlines. And my goal with this channel is to share all the secrets I've learned on and off stage in boardrooms across the world so that you can live the life you've always dreamed of. Let's get started. Now, it's a little difficult to show you this trick through the magic of video because normally it's with you right here with me. So I'll do my best to describe it. And here's the basic idea of the routine. You use a deck of cards and have them look at a card. They can take it, or you can just show them the card like this. You look away so that you don't see their card, which I'm going to look. It's the 10 of hearts. So you're looking away, make sure that you can't see it, and then you put the cards back on top. And this is the very simple version. Then you would spread them out on the table, and then you find their card in a magical way, which is you take their wrist and ask them to extend one finger, and it goes across the spread like so, until you feel their micromuscular reactions trying to pull you away or draw you to the card until their finger hits right on their card. Amazement ensues. Now, how does it work? Let's dive in. This works on a very simple principle called the key card. And it's so simple that you might think it won't work. Trust me. Please give this a shot. Try this out on a couple of friends after you've practiced enough to make this smooth. But the method is so simple that it is disproportionate to how amazing this is. And the key card is, let me find the 10 of hearts again. All right. Now, as I'm spreading and I'm showing you the 10 of hearts, and I turn away to make sure that I don't see the card that you're looking at, what I'm doing is I'm looking down at this card, which is the 9 of spades. So now I know the 9 of spades. That's the card I looked at. I don't know what card you're looking at. I genuinely have no clue what it is, but I do know the 9 of spades, and I do know that the 9 of spades is going right on top of your card. Now, when I spread the cards out, all I have to do is look for the 9 of spades, wherever that is. Through the magic of editing, I will make this look much smoother than it is. Okay, so now I'm looking for the 9 of spades, and because I see the 9 of spades, I know the next card has to be your card. That's it. It's that simple. And this is the very simple version. There are more advanced versions of the key card principle and how that plays out. If you'd like some of those advanced presentations, join my secret society, ask me, and I will show them to you. But that's it. It's very simple, very effective, and there are even bar betches that depend on this. So if somebody ever says, I bet you that I can turn over your card, and you look at a card and then they start turning over cards and you see yours go by, and then they say the next one that I turn over will be yours, and you're thinking they're going to turn it over here, then they reach and turn your card over. It was probably a key card that they saw their 9 of spades, then they turn it over and now they know that your card is the 10 of hearts, and then they can keep going through. So there are a lot of ways that this key card principle plays out, but it's all that simple. What's the business idea? What's the life lesson here? It is that you don't have to know the answer. You just have to get close enough to know where to find it. You don't have to be the person to fix it. You don't have to be the person who always has the answer on hand. You can know people who know the answer or who can do the thing that needs doing. And by being that person who's close to people who can fix things, you become a broker of those relationships and a connector of people and opportunities. So if you think of yourself as the key card who can find the right answer and get the right people connected with each other, that is an amazing event, and everybody will want to be close to you. So give it a shot. Try it out. Let me know how it goes. If you think you're going to really give this a go, hit the like button. That lets YouTube know that more people should find this. And if you want to see more things like this, hit me in the comments below. Let me know this is something that you'd like to see. In the meantime, check out this video for more information about sales, business psychology, and subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss future videos that I release mainly on a once-a-week basis. As always, remember, if you can change your mind, you can change your life.